Welcome to Alanje Sugarcane Mill, a proudly Panamanian company and one of the country's most modern sugar factories. You are now at the entrance of our premises, and in a couple of minutes, you will learn all about the interesting process of raw sugar production, a sweet delicacy many of you have probably enjoyed today in your morning coffee. Let's talk about history. The mill began operating in 1977. We were originally known as Chiriquí Mill, a state-owned enterprise called La Victoria Sugar Corporation. The initial investment was approximately $70 million, which were intended to spark job creation and future export of products. On December 28, 1998, the mill was privatized and Alanje Sugarcane Mill S.A. was born, a Panamanian privately owned company. We hurried to start the harvest season right away, and since then, we haven't stopped in our quest for improving the agro-industrial sector. Throughout the years, we have reaped major success thanks to the hard work of our most valuable asset, our employees. Our company continues to evolve constantly through equipment renewal and our relentless search for the most advanced techniques in order to improve our performance. I bet you are wondering how this whole sugar production process begins. It is an arduous but interesting procedure. First, we begin harvesting the cane fields using two different techniques: manual harvesting and mechanical harvesting. Manual harvesting is done by hand and consists of the hard work of a great number of neighboring farmers, skilled laborers that commute to different areas of our country to undertake such an arduous and admirable task. Today, 85% of the harvesting is done mechanically, using state-of-the-art harvesters that work 24 hours a day, reaping a great number of hectares in a very short time, thus increasing our processing capacity. Once the sugarcane is harvested, both manually and mechanically, and delivered to our mill, the first stop is the weighing area. It is later transported by truck, or in the container it was originally delivered in, to a patio area where it is unloaded in order to begin the milling process in our factory. The cane undergoes a thorough cleaning process and is then cut up into small chunks so that the extraction process through the large rollers is more efficient, and the maximum amount of juice can be obtained, as you will discover shortly. Through a series of tubes, the pure cane juice is delivered to and processed by a series of machinery. The sort of mud that is produced as a waste byproduct of this processing is called cachaça, and it is used as an organic fertilizer. The rest of the cane residue is called bagazo, and it is used to feed the boilers, which will generate steam for its use in the production process and in generating electricity. The pure cane juice is treated and then undergoes a series of lab tests to ensure the right pH levels that will guarantee the quality, color, and purity of our final product. The cane juice continues its process and is transported to the last floor in our factory, where it arrives in the form of cane syrup. Here, our professional team verifies the size of the grain, its texture and color, and provides the final tests that will ensure our seal of quality. The liquid sugar continues its journey through our factory and reaches the centrifugation area, where the syrup is separated from the grains of sugar, and as a result, we have our final product, which is then transported to the packaging area. You might be asking yourself, why does this sugar have this particular color? The answer is quite simple. The whiter your sugar, the more chemicals have been used to achieve this bleached color. At Alanje Sugarcane Mill, the sugar is processed through filtering systems without removing the natural qualities of the sugarcane syrup. Hence, the peculiar color of our sugar and the name of our product, Azúcar Doradita, or golden sugar. The next time you enjoy a delicious coffee, dessert, refreshment, or any other food and beverage that has a sweet taste, Remember the great amount of people and machinery that have contributed to the making of this final product. And know that at Alanje sugarcane mills, we are proud to produce the #1 selling sugar in our country and honored to sell our product internationally thanks to its quality and purity. We invite you to enjoy this very interesting tour and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you for your visit.